Hello everyone, it's Noelle Martin with Quick Creations. I'm doing a combined shipment video of shipments we got within the past few days. So I'll start off with the candy bean and saturated canary. We got in this super cute candy canes from Saturated Canary. I'll show you the size. It's a pretty good size. And this one is unmounted, so you would have to mount it to cling foam. And then we got Autumn, and it is also unmounted, but it is a really big size. But I love her hair. And then we got some new of the Saturated Canaries. This one is Casey. And these ones are a little smaller, but these ones do come now mounted to cling foam. And then we got Crisscross Applesauce. And then we got Piper. And then we got some candy beans from their new collection. This one is called I Can't Reach. This super cute little mousey. And of course the girls do too. And these are also mounted to cling foam. And then we got the Let It Snow one. Super cute. And then onto the greeting form. As you know, all these are mounted to cling foam, so we got some restocks. This is Birthday Anya too. And then a restock of Birthday Ian. And then another restock of Holiday Anya 4. It's been a really good seller for us. And a restock of Holiday Anya 2. And then we got a restock of the retired stamp Miss Anya bags. So we only got about 6 of these in stock. And of course it's retired, so we won't be getting more unless Greeting Farm has more for some reason. And then got a restock of this one. I think this one is Holiday Blessings. Yeah, Holiday Blessings. And then we got this smaller kit called My Heart. We got a restock of this. We just got these in last month in the shop. It's not a super new release, but we just got them in our shop, so that is it for this shipment. I hope you find some products you like and stop by the shop and check them out. Thanks for watching.